What's up, everybody? It's your man Will X Official, and in today's video, we're going to talk about what's the X pipe and what's the H pipe. Which one do you want for your vehicle? So it doesn't matter if you have a Dodge, Ford, or Chevy. You can upgrade to either of these pipes. Now, let's go ahead and start with the X pipe. So the X pipe is it's in the shape of an X, and what that piping does, it's more free flowing, because if you look at the stock resonator, we're going to compare this on a Mustang GT. If we look at this resonator on this Mustang, we see that, it's kind of closed off the tubing. You don't really see all the tubing, right? It's kind of like a muffler for the car. An extra muffler is basically what it is. You can just think of it like that. It's restrictive of the sound. And obviously, yes, if it's restrictive of the sound, it's going to be restrictive of horsepower. So that's why some people upgrade that too. A lot of people want to hear their motors. Not everybody, but a lot of people want to hear the motors screaming. I do. Personally love that, just not too much. So that's what upgrading to the X pipe does. Now, out of these two pipes, the X pipe is going to get you more power. Now, guys, we're not looking at huge power. We're not looking at 15 horses or nothing like that. You're probably going to be gaining, 3 horses, maybe 4 from having an X pipe versus the H pipe. It's all just because it's more free flowing. The X pipe is closer to what straight pipe is. It's really similar, but it's not quite straight piping. So we'll go ahead and play the X pipe first. So that's what the X pipe sounds like, guys. It's more wild. It's not really toned in my opinion, and it's definitely raspy. Now the H pipe is more toned, and it's definitely deep tone to it, more of the old school muscle car sound. Now before I play this H pipe video, the white Mustang in the H pipe video, it's a cold start. So the cold start video is always going to be louder than the video with the car that has the engine already warm. So just want you guys to keep that in mind. Here's the cold start. That will conclude this video. So if you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe, share. It's your man, Whoa. I'll catch you in the next one. And check out my YouTube channel for videos like this.
Now look at this. Madness, the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to